So you can see all the variables now appeared in the workspace. Now these variables will be read by the Simulink model. So what basically will happen? So in the next section, what we are currently doing is opening the model and doing the buck converter simulation. So if you see the sim command, so here you can see I have used the buck converter model. So here you can see the buck converter model is present. And through this, we will be running the simulation. So if I press Control Enter in this case, then it will open the model, it will do the simulation, and then we can see the outcome. So if I double click on the output over here, then you can see this is the output response. And what is the output response we are getting in this particular model that we will see now. So the output response that we are getting, there are two sets. So first is the V in that we are getting, that is the input voltage. Then output, this is the inductor voltage and this is the inductor current. And we have this PWM, how the switching is happening based on this PWM. And we have this output voltage waveform. So let's see like how these things looks like. So we can see here the input voltage is 60 volt, and along with that we can see the inductor voltage and the current over here. Inductor voltage is like around 50 volt, and you are getting a PWM also signal here. And in the second axis, what you are also getting is the inductor current. And over here, if I zoom in, then you can see the pulses. So this is how the pulses looks like in this case. And you can see like the voltage is settling down, and you can get the output voltage. So the below axis is representing the output voltage, which is in red in color. And this output voltage will be reflecting in the output terminal of the buck converter. So basically what we are giving a 60 volt input, and we are getting basically a 12 volt output. And the magenta one that you are able to see is the pulse which we are having, and it is the time period which is shown between this. So if you see, if we consider this part, then this is the total time period for which we are operating. So this is the TS part.